Welcome to today's episode. Let's dive into a topic that affects every single one of us: mental health. Yes, you heard that right, mental health is as important as physical health. But sadly, it's often overlooked or misunderstood. So, in the next 10 minutes, let's unravel some myths, understand the importance of mental well-being, and discuss how we can all take better care of our minds. To start, let's break a myth: mental health issues don't just happen to other people. They can affect anyone, young, old, rich, poor, and everyone in between. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in every 8 people globally lives with a mental health condition. That's a lot of people. And yet, we're often hesitant to talk about it. Why? Because of stigma, a stigma that we're here to break today. Think about this: if you have a headache or a fever, you'd go to a doctor, right? But when it comes to feeling persistently sad, anxious, or overwhelmed, many of us hesitate to seek help. Mental health conditions are real, and they deserve the same level of care and attention as physical ailments. And here's the truth: seeking help is not a sign of weakness. It's a step towards strength and healing. Now, you might be wondering, what are some signs that you or someone you know might be struggling? It's not always obvious, but here are a few things to look out for: changes in sleep patterns, loss of interest in things they once loved, withdrawal from social activities, or persistent feelings of sadness or anxiety. These are not things to ignore. If you notice these signs in yourself or someone else, it's crucial to reach out and have a conversation. Sometimes, just saying, "I'm here for you," can make a world of difference. Let's also talk about self-care. Self-care is more than bubble baths and spa days. It's about setting boundaries, getting enough sleep, eating nutritious food, and taking time for things that bring you joy. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's necessary. And if you're feeling stuck, start small. Take a 5-minute walk, write down one thing you're grateful for, or simply pause and take a deep breath. Small steps lead to big changes. Now, let's shift our focus to the role of community. One of the most powerful things we can do to support mental health is to foster an environment of understanding and compassion. Ask yourself, are you creating a space where people feel safe to share their struggles? Words matter. Instead of saying, "Just get over it," try saying, "I'm here to listen." It's these little acts of kindness and empathy that can break down barriers and help someone take that first step toward healing. And for those of you who might be feeling alone right now, let me tell you this: you are not alone. There are people who care about you, and there are resources available to help. Whether it's a trusted friend, a family member, or a mental health professional, reaching out is the first step. Remember, asking for help is a sign of courage. Before we wrap up, let's make a commitment. Let's pledge to prioritize our mental health and support those around us. Let's normalize conversations about mental well-being and break the stigma once and for all. Because at the end of the day, we're all in this together. Mental health is not a destination, it's a journey. And it's okay to ask for directions along the way. Thank you for joining me in this conversation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's spread awareness and create a world where mental health is treated with the care and respect it deserves. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay strong and stay kind.